Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to find duplicate values on Microsoft Excel. So if you have multiple numbers you're looking to locate, this tutorial will be for you. And basically we're going to be using conditional formatting to highlight the individual values that appear more than once. So we're going to jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is, let's say we have a column of data that we want to search for, so a specific number, so let's say 5. I'm going to select the top letter of the column, so just B up here, and then I'm going to left click on the conditional formatting button right here, and then you want to select highlight cell rules, select equal to, so left click on that. So I'm going to just type the number 5, let's say I'm searching for 5, and then you can change what it'll display it as, but usually light red fill with dark red text is usually pretty distinctive. And then I'm left going OK. So you can see now it's clearly showing our duplicate values in this column. Now let's say you had an entire workbook you're looking to deal with. Same rules apply. So if I select the top left corner of the workbook here, just selecting that, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to. If I set it to 5 again, you can see it'll locate them through the entire worksheet. So I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.